What's up guys? So, Google coming back to truly flagship smartphones, with some exclusive features, and hardware, and more information about the handset is coming in. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, according to OnLeaks, as you know, a very reputed guy has shared the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro renders that are based on the official CAD renders, and he also shared some specs of the handset, and there's some good news. So first, the screen sizes have been revealed. The Pixel 6 Pro will have a 6.67-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display, the biggest size ever on a Pixel phone. Not only that, the phone will have a 120Hz high refresh rate screen. Plus, the display is curved like Samsung flagships, and whether or not that's good news depends on if you like curved displays or not. Anyway, another thing confirmed is the presence of the periscope zoom camera, making it the first Pixel phone to have this lens. And this guy also shared this image, claiming it's the real photo of the Pixel 6 Pro's camera module, which again is in line with the renders. Also, according to Yogesh on Twitter, he says that the Pixel 6 Pro is rocking a large 50-megapixel unannounced Sony sensor. This sensor is rumored to be that brand new IMX800 sensor, one of the largest smartphone sensors out there. Apart from this absolute mega beast upgrade for the main camera, it's got a 8-megapixel optical zoom that goes up to 5x level, ultra-wide-angle lens, and color correction sensor. He further says that, for now this is what Google has decided, but the mass production will happen in the month of August, so some things can still change. So, Google is not taking any chances this time. They're going big, they're going hard, and it might just bring them back to that #1 smartphone camera position. Also, we have some information about the software features of the Pixel 6 lineup. According to XDA developers, the Pixel 6 will have audio-coupled haptics to generate custom vibration effects for ringtones, and this will produce vibrations that feel better and more in sync with the audio than the current hard-coded patterns. And also, Google is likely to announce the new flagships on September 30th later this year. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say it, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Heading on the